Hi everybody, it's so great to see you all again. I've missed you all so much, and I'm thrilled to be back with some exciting news. It's me, Flint Lockwood, your friendly neighborhood inventor. You might remember me from my previous adventures, where I combined my love for inventing with my passion for food. You know the guy who made it rain cheeseburgers? Yeah, that was me. It was one of my most delicious inventions, and it brought so much joy to everyone. After my last big invention went a little haywire, don't ask about the giant gummy bear incident, I realized that sometimes even the best ideas can have unexpected results. But that's all part of the learning process, right? I decided to take a break. I needed some time to reflect and recharge my creative batteries. It was a much-needed pause to gather my thoughts and come up with even better ideas. But you can't keep a good inventor down. After some much-needed rest, I felt more inspired than ever. I was ready to dive back into my lab and kitchen. I've always loved two things, inventing and food. Combining these passions has always been my dream. There's something magical about creating new culinary experiences. So I thought, why not combine them in a new exciting way? I started brainstorming and experimenting with new ideas. The possibilities seemed endless. That's when the greatest idea hit me. What if I could create a whole new culinary experience using my inventions? Something that would change the way we think about food. I began sketching out plans and designing new gadgets that could revolutionize the way we cook and eat. Each sketch brought me closer to my vision. It was a lot of trial and error, but each failure brought me closer to success. I learned so much along the way, and each mistake was a stepping stone to something greater. And finally, after countless hours of hard work, I created something truly amazing. A new invention that combines the best of both worlds, technology and cuisine. It was a moment of pure joy and satisfaction. I can't wait to share it with all of you. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey. Stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Together, we'll explore the future of food and technology. I promise you, it's going to be a delicious ride. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's make some delicious memories together. I'm so excited to see what we can create. A food truck, but not just any food truck. This baby was gonna be special, just like my inventions. I spent weeks in my lab tinkering and tweaking. I added all sorts of cool gadgets and gizmos. My best friend Sam helped me paint it in bright colors. We even put a giant burger on top that spins. It's hard to miss us, let me tell you that. Now for the most important part, the food. My menu is full of crazy, delicious creations you won't find anywhere else. We've got the cheesy cloud burger, a burger literally served on a cloud of cheese. Then there's the singing pizza, a pizza that plays music when you take a bite. And for dessert, you've got to try the exploding jelly bean volcano. It's a mountain of jelly beans that erupts with sugary goodness. Section 4, oh boy, spaghetti twister trouble. One day we were super busy. The line stretched around the block, and the air was filled with the delicious aroma of our signature dish. People were chatting excitedly, eager to get their hands on our latest creation. The sun was shining, and it seemed like the perfect day for a food adventure. Everyone wanted to try the spaghetti twister. It was our newest invention, and it had quickly become the talk of the town. The spaghetti twister was a fun twist on the classic spaghetti and meatballs, and people couldn't get enough of it. The buzz around it was incredible, and we were thrilled to see so many happy faces. It's spaghetti and meatballs, but the spaghetti is spun into a giant cone. Imagine a delicious, savory ice cream cone, but instead of ice cream, it's filled with perfectly cooked spaghetti and juicy meatballs. It was a sight to behold and a delight to eat. The unique presentation made it even more appealing, and people couldn't stop taking pictures of it. Suddenly, the machine started going haywire. Spaghetti was flying everywhere. The machine, which was supposed to spin the spaghetti into a perfect cone, had gone rogue. Strands of spaghetti shot out in all directions, creating a chaotic scene. It was as if the machine had a mind of its own, and it was determined to create a mess. It was like a pasta tornado. The spaghetti swirled around us, and it felt like we were caught in a whirlwind of noodles. The customers watched in amazement as the spaghetti storm raged on. It was a spectacle unlike anything we had ever seen, and it left everyone in awe. Sam and I were covered in sauce, but you know what? Despite the mess, we couldn't help but laugh. The whole situation was so absurd that it was impossible to take it seriously. We looked at each other, our clothes drenched in sauce, and burst into laughter. It was a moment of pure, unfiltered joy. Everyone thought it was hilarious. The customers, who had initially been shocked by the flying spaghetti, started laughing too. It was a moment of shared joy and camaraderie. People were taking pictures and videos, capturing the unexpected fun. The laughter was contagious, and soon the entire crowd was in high spirits. We all had a good laugh, cleaned up, and kept on serving. The mishap turned into a memorable event that brought everyone closer together. We managed to fix the machine, and soon enough, we were back to serving our famous spaghetti twisters. It was a day we would never forget, filled with laughter, mess, and a whole lot of spaghetti. The experience bonded us with our customers in a way we never expected, making it a truly special day. Section 5. The food truck adventure continues. Running this food truck has been the best adventure ever. Every day brings something new and exciting. From the early morning preparations to the late night cleanups, there's never a dull moment. The thrill of creating new dishes and seeing the joy on people's faces when they take their first bite is indescribable. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience, the community, and the memories we create together. The food truck has become a symbol of joy and creativity, a place where people gather to share not just meals, but moments of happiness and connection. I love seeing people's faces light up when they try my inventions. It's like a spark of magic, a moment of pure happiness that makes all the hard work worth it. Each dish is a labor of love, crafted with passion and creativity. Whether it's a classic favorite with a twist or a completely new creation, the goal is always to surprise and delight. The reactions from our customers fuel our passion and drive us to keep innovating, to keep pushing the boundaries of what street food can be. Sure, things can get a little messy sometimes. The kitchen can turn into a whirlwind of activity, with ingredients flying and utensils clattering, but that's all part of the process. The chaos is a sign of creativity in action, of boundaries being pushed and new ideas being born. It's a beautiful mess that leads to delicious results. Every spill and splatter tells a story of experimentation and discovery, of the relentless pursuit of culinary perfection. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? The unexpected moments, the laughter, the shared experiences, they all add to the charm of the food truck life. It's not just about serving food, it's about creating moments of joy and connection. Whether it's a playful food fight or a spontaneous dance party, these are the memories that make the journey unforgettable. The food truck is a stage where life's little dramas and comedies play out, where every meal is a celebration. So if you see my crazy food truck rolling into your town, come on down, join the adventure, and be part of the fun. There's always something new to try, and you never know what surprises await. The food truck is more than just a place to eat. It's a traveling celebration of food, creativity, and community. It's a moving festival that brings people together, a culinary carnival that spreads joy wherever it goes. Get ready for a taste bud explosion. Each dish is designed to tantalize your senses and take your taste buds on a wild ride. From bold flavors to unexpected combinations, there's always something to excite your palate. It's a culinary adventure that promises to be as thrilling as it is delicious. Every bite is an invitation to explore new flavors, to embark on a gastronomic journey that's full of surprises. You never know what deliciousness I'll cook up next. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for the next stop on the food truck adventure. Who knows what culinary delights await? One thing's for sure, it's going to be an unforgettable ride. The road ahead is filled with promise and potential, and I can't wait to share every delicious moment with you. If you enjoyed this adventure, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to us and helps keep the food truck rolling. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next stop.